God says, I know the plans I have for you. They are plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This is my word to you, not an empty promise. As it is written in Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, what I have declared over your life stands firm. God says, I see everything you're walking through. I see the weight you carry, the prayers you whisper, and the tears you hide. Nothing about your life is hidden from me. Before you were formed, I knew you, and before you were born, I set you apart, as written in Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5. God says, you believe you are delayed, but I am preparing you. You think nothing is happening, but I am working deeply. There is a time for everything and a season for every purpose under heaven, according to Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. This season has meaning. God says, do not measure my plans by what you see. My thoughts are not your thoughts, and my ways are higher than your ways, as declared in Isaiah chapter 55 verses 8 and 9. What you cannot understand now will become clear in time. God says, even when you cannot see my hand, I am still moving. Even when you feel weak, I remain strong on your behalf. I have promised that all things work together for good for those who love me and are called according to my purpose, as written in Romans chapter 8 verse 28. God says, nothing in your life is wasted. No pain, no loss, no disappointment has escaped my purpose. I am restoring what was taken from you. I am redeeming the time you thought was lost. As I declared in Joel chapter 2 verse 25, I will restore the years the locust has eaten. God says, do not fear the future, because I am already there. All your days were written in my book before one of them came to be, according to Psalm chapter 139 verse 16. Your life is not random, and your steps are ordered by me. God says, you are not behind schedule. You are not forgotten. The steps of a righteous person are ordered by the Lord, as written in Psalm chapter 37 verse 23. I am guiding you even when you do not feel it. God says, I do not lie, and I do not change my mind. If I have spoken it, I will do it. Numbers chapter 23 verse 19 declares that I am faithful to fulfill every word I release. God says, trust me in this season. Stop leaning on your own understanding. Acknowledge me in all your ways, and I will direct your path, as written in Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 and 6. Let go of control and rest in my guidance. God says, I am opening doors no one can shut. I have placed before you an open door, according to Revelation chapter 3 verse 8. What I open remains open. Walk forward without fear. God says, strength is returning to you. Hope is rising again. Those who wait on me will renew their strength as promised in Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. You will run and not grow weary. You will walk and not faint. God says, I am with you, and I will never leave you nor forsake you, as written in Deuteronomy chapter 31 verse 6. Even in the valley, my presence surrounds you, just as Psalm chapter 23 verse 4 reminds you. God says, hold on and remain faithful. The vision is for an appointed time, and though it seems delayed, wait for it. It will surely come and will not fail, as written in Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3. God says, I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, plans to give you hope, plans to give you a future. Trust my timing. Trust my process. Trust me.